script.js. So we started this by getting the document destination slash form detail id by storing this in details form equal document dot query selector. So let me show you where this id is in the HTML. You can go, and here is the form. Destination details form is the id. So we are calling this inside the main, and we are calling the form and store that form in details form. And after that, in we are passing the event handler to details form. Once the detail forms button click submit, then it will do handle form submit. So handle form submit is the function which is defined here. We are calling the event. Inside this event.prevent default is to prevent from normal submission, and then we are defining the variables to capture the value from the input provided by the user, like destination name, dest location, dest photo, dest description, and by using the syntax event.target.element square bracket name dot value for location dot value photo. So photo is the URL, that's why we are not put dot value here, description dot value. And after that, getting the values from the user, we are running the loop through the elements of the form. So for loop is running for variable I equal to 0, I less than details form dot length, means details form, like in the form element, so length of that element less than that length and I plus plus. So it will go to each object of that element, form element, and set the value of the input form to empty. So you already know that the element create node list, so it acts as a node list array, and it goes to each and every element of that array. Details form dot elements I means index 0 dot value makes it empty. Every value, input value of the form, it makes empty after getting the value. Then after that we have to go to create a function which is create a new card. So first we have to empty the form and getting the value and storing the value in these variables, then empty the form, and then we create the function to create a new card. So for that we are creating we are calling destination container, which is, and storing in the variable wish list container. So destination container, so here is the destination container. It is a div inside the article. So inside this we are showing the card. So we are going here, and you can see we are calling this div destination container by the help of syntax document.getElement by id. So here we are using get element by id, that's why we are not using here this hash. So we are removing it. If we are saying document dot query selector, then we are using this sign for id call. So inside this, if container div is empty, means no card, then do this. First we will check whether there is a card available or not. If wishlist container dot children dot length is equal to wishlist container, means the div dot children, inside the div there is a children, so this is the div, and this div class card is the children of this parent div destinations container. If it is already there, then see here, if it's already there, then it will print that thing. If not, if it is 0, because it is also a node list array, so if it is 0, then we will create document.getElement by id title and .inner HTML my wish list. So we are calling the element title. So where is the title? title. Here is the title. We are calling the title, sorry, this is the title, h2 id inside the article. So you can see document.get element by id title and change the inner HTML my wish list. So right now it shows enter destination details. It will change it to my wish list.